Hey guys, welcome to Raw Customs Jeep Mods. This episode we're going to be covering how to replace the hood latches on a Jeep Wrangler. Now if you drive a Jeep Wrangler 2008 to 2017 or 18, you know you have those rubber hood latches. And when you're driving down the road and your speed hits around 65 or 70, that air gets underneath there and starts lifting that hood up, making it bob just a little bit. And that's because of those rubber hood latches. So one of the best upgrades you can actually do to your Jeep is to replace those hood latches with something solid. So I found these hood latches on Amazon and installed them on my Jeep around 6 months ago, guys. So I have been running them and testing them and making sure that they're going to hold up. And I've had zero problem with these hood latches and have tested them out, opening and shutting the hood, make sure nothing gets loose. When I first installed them, of course, the bolts were loose, but once I tightened everything, I've had no issues with anything coming loose. I wanted to make sure they were a good quality product before I recommended them to you guys. So if you're interested in these, you can find an affiliate link in the description area below. I am an affiliate, so if you do purchase, I do get a little ching, and this is a great way to support my channel if you'd like to help me out. So replacing the hood latches is a very easy job. It doesn't take very much of a skill set and doesn't take but a couple of tools. So check out the video. Here's how to do it. Replacing your hood latches on your Jeep is an easy upgrade. You'll want to start by lifting the hood and removing the grille. Removing the grille will give you access to the nuts for the lower section of the hood latch. There's just enough room to squeeze a crescent wrench in between the body and the front headlight. You'll want to take off both of the nuts and remove the lower hood latch. Next, you'll want to remove the upper hood latch. With the old latch out of the way, you can install the new upper latch. The new latches do come with new hardware. I recommend using the bolts that came with the new hardware. However, I recommend using the factory nuts that you took off from the old hardware. You'll want to leave the nuts hand tight at this point. On the lower portion of the latch, you'll want to take off the section that mounts to the Jeep to give you access to the bolts for mounting. Once you have the bottom section removed, you can mount it to the Jeep and fully tighten your bolt down. Next, you can put the lower latch section back together and tighten your bolts down. Make sure and check and tighten all the bolts on your hinge. On mine, the ones on the handle were loose. Once everything's tight, close the hood and latch it down. At this point, you'll need to adjust the top section of the latch. You'll want to adjust it where it slightly pulls the hood down when the latch is locked in place. Once you've made your adjustments, you can lift the hood and tighten the top bracket down.
Once your latches are all adjusted and tightened down, you can reinstall the grill.